Want to get the latest news updates straight to your Telegram? Here's how to set it up in under a minute. No code required. First, open rss.app and paste in the URL of any news source you want to follow, or search for any topic. We'll find related articles across the internet for you. Click Save to My Feeds. From here, you can translate your feed, or set up filters to hide duplicates, exclude posts by keyword, or skip older articles. Once you're ready, click the Telegram icon and log in to your Telegram account. You can choose Only Me to get updates as direct messages, or add our bot News Alerts RSS to any group or channel you manage. Once added, your group, topic, or channel will appear in the dropdown. Select it and click Save. RSS app will instantly forward the latest 3 posts to test the connection. From now on, every new article from your feed will be sent to Telegram automatically. You can also send older posts manually, or use BotFather to change the bot's name or avatar. In Settings, you can customize how posts appear: full image, author and title, or just a link with a native Telegram preview. To double-check what's been sent, open the History tab. Ready to stay up to date with the latest headlines? Get started now with RSS app.